is about our friend Wilda. Wilda received a card in the mail today from a long-lost Uncle Jack. It was a $20 bill and a note that read, "Dear Wilda, hey, so I'm your long-lost Uncle Jack. Here's $20. Every month for the next forever, I will send you another $5. Sincerely, long-lost Uncle Jack." Cool scenario. It'd be sweet if that would happen for me. The idea here, though, is that I want you to draw a graph to model this story. Okay? Is that good? And we need to know what the x and y axis is. So let's start with, what do we know about this story? What is our rate? What is changing? What do we have happening? What is the thing that's moving in this problem? Every month you get $5. Now, do we say that as every month $5 or $5 every month? That makes sense when we say it that way. $5 every month. That makes sense to say it that way, right? So that is the speed. That is our slope, right? So slope is m. Hope we got that on camera. That is your $5 every 1 month. Okay? Because that makes sense, we would say it that way. $5 every month. So then we have talked about slope being that change in y over the change in x, right? So we now know that our y is going to be the money and our x is going to be months. That's how that works. Makes it pretty easy. And when we go to graph this, I'm going to focus on this quadrant here. Based on the scenario, why does that make sense? Why does it make sense to focus just on this top right quadrant?
Because it's increasing.
Because we're increasing, right? My numbers are all positive. I'm dealing with positive y's and positive x's. Positive y and x. And y we just said was money, and x we said was months. Okay, now, let's think about this graph now. So this would be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months. And then let's go by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, right? So that's 50, and we'd have 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Now, month 0. How much money does she have month 0? She has $20. That very first, she woke up one day, month 0, she got $20 from long lost Uncle Jack, right? So at month 0, she's gonna have 20 bucks. That's the start of our story. The start of our story is that she's got $20. Boom. And then after month 1, how much money is she gonna have? 25. Month 2, she's gonna have 30, right? And look, we've got our line forming. We're going up 5 over 1. Up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1, because we have our slope. And so last week, we talked about y equals slope, m, times x. But there's this new part to this equation, it's this b. And I'm gonna put that in pink. It's this b part. In b, this is what we call your y-intercept, or the start of the story. So in this case, my y-intercept is 20. I got a $20 bill. Wilda got a $20 bill. So when I write this equation, y equals, my slope is 5, x, and the start of my story, is plus 20. Because now I can say, all right, 10 months from now, what is she going to have? 10 months from now, how much money will she have?
70.
70. And how'd you do that?
$5 times 10 months plus 20.
5 times 10 plus 20. And you've got your slope-intercept form. This is called slope-intercept form. Okay. Thanks. Appreciate it.